Alright, dude, this is where I'm at. I have got open web UI running. It's running on Titan, which is the little Nitro. It's running. I've got web UI, or I'm sorry, I've got web search enabled, and it's running through DuckDuckGo. You can see I've done some test searches here. When was the Articles of Confederation sunset? Confederation. There you go. And that should be using DuckDuckGo. I also have a small LLM, or a small model that lives on my CPU that does document searches. I have not added any documents to the machine yet to start doing that, but it should be able to train, or allow the models to train, or to, not train's not the right word, but hyper focus their knowledge bases on the documents that I put in there. Anyway, at least that's how I understand it. I'm still learning. I might have this wrong, and feel free to correct me if you know what I'm saying wrong. All right, so now I want to add a model, and the best way I found to do that is to go to Hugging Face and find one. And this one, I don't know if we can run this or not. We're gonna try. It's 9 billion parameters. That's pretty high for my GPU. But if you come over here to hardware compatibility, from what I understand, if I stick within this 4-bit range and I stick to these, I think, KM models, I'm okay. And this is what we want, is this guy right here. So what I am thinking should work is if I pop into a terminal. If you have to do this inside the build directory. So let me show you my directory. I have an SSD that's mounted to the M&T directory. I named it home base, and then I'm inside the models, engines, llama CPP build directory. And then from within here, let's see if I managed to save it or not. No, I didn't. I don't think I did. All right. I want to paste this guy right here. And that's this guy's website, or this guy's Hugging Face repository, right? And then from within there, I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go... Sorry, I'm looking to see if it has like a repo. But it doesn't look like it. So I'm going to guess and see if it works. Yes, the right way. I'm going to copy the name of the model. And normally, when I do this, I just have to put resolve main and then the name of the model. I'm not pasting multiple lines. What are you talking about, you stupid computer? Yeah, sure, whatever. Oh, it's a blank line. Yeah, okay. Fine. Alright, so now I've got my whole URL string built. I'm going to do a little cheating. And I'm going to go back. I'm going to go find where I successfully did this last, and it's going to take me a minute because I have not done this in a second. There we go. All right, and I'm going to replace this thing. With that URL we just built. All right, so we're going to wget, and in the header of our wget, we're going to add in an authorization bearer token. And then this is my bearer token, and then this is our URL, right? So now, in theory, if I'm pointing this at the right repo, which I don't know because I'm guessing, we should start to download it. And there we go, we are downloading it. It is a 5 gig model, so while it does that, I'm gonna pop open a new terminal. And I know I could do another one within Remote Desktop Manager. I just didn't feel like it. And we'll go ahead and pop back onto Titan real quick. And what we're going to do is we're going to sudo systemctl stop Titan dash Mistral service. So that frees up our VRAM. And then we are going to sudo cat etc system d system, and then we're going to just grab the Titan Mistral service, and we're going to copy this. We're going to clear, and then we're going to sudo micro etc systemd system Titan, and this is going to be our what was the name of this one? Quopus. Quopus.service, and then we're going to pop this guy in here, and we need to change this to the name of the model. So we go pop into this terminal, and this is what matters right here. This guy. We'll copy that. I'll pop back in here. And then we're going to just pop that in there. And then we'll give it a name, or well, we'll give it a more descriptive service name, and then we'll Control S, Control Q. We're gonna yes. Parent. Oh, I must have messed something up. It's all right. It's all right. I have a really bad problem of typing words wrong, but we'll figure it out. Control A, Control C, Control Q. No. I see right there. Oh, you gotta be crapping me. It's all right. You just have to do it again. And then we'll go and grab the model name, and we will paste it in there. All right, and then we'll go and redo this. QWOPUS, and Control S, Control Q. All right, then you want to sudo systemctl da. I think I spelled that right. Yep. SYS systems. All right, so there. I don't want to start the service yet until the model is done downloading. And it's 47 minutes away from, or sorry, 47 minutes away. I am tired. Yeah, okay. It's 4 minutes away. 47% of the way done. Okay. So, to show you, at the moment, if I was to sudo systemctl, I did it again. SYS system. Restart. Open web UI service. You will notice if I go into the open web UI service and I go to my settings and I go to admin settings and I go to models, there is no model at the moment. And that's because I stopped it, right? So if I sudo systemctl start Titan dash DeepSeek, and then sudo systemctl restart open web UA, should be good. And I pop back in here, and then I want to. Usually when I do this, I have to go to connections, I have to come over here to the configure. I just have to resync this guy, save, go back to models, and there's DeepSeek. All right, and then I can go back to chat, and I believe that should still use the DuckDuckGo search. So let's see. When is Game 3 of the Stanley Cup Finals? Brother, okay. I think I have to give it access to the web per model. And that's okay if that's the case. Web search. No. It's using Brave. Using DuckDuckGo. Maybe I have to enable it. Select knowledge. Neat. I don't know what that does. Upload files. Oh, I wonder if I could give it I'm gonna have to look up how to do this. But anyway, yeah, I'm still learning, bud. I'm still learning. But as you can see, I've got multiple LLMs running. Let me remember what I'm doing. Okay, we're at 84%. But when this is done, all I gotta do is stop the service and load the service for this one, and it almost always works. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a sneak peek on how far we've come in just like a matter of like a day, because I've done all this in like the last 24 hours. And also, for those of you who are not the target of this video and just happen to see it because I threw it on YouTube because I'm a lazy bastard who doesn't want to have to like type all this out or upload it to like a secure shared storage and then send it to the person it's intended for, I also don't mind points and pointers and, you know, tips and tricks and people telling me how stupid I am, because I know I always use more advice and more help. But yeah, cool. Talk to you later.